Today we are going to revise all the formulas we have discussed till now. So these are the 4 formulas. First one is ddx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Second one is ddx of e to the power mx is equal to m into e to the power mx. Third one is ddx of log mx is equal to 1 by x. Here m disappears on the right hand side because it gets cancelled out. And ddx of any constant c is equal to 0. So these are the formulas which we will be using in upcoming examples, and these are most commonly used formulas. So please remember all these formulas. To revise all these formula, we'll do some sums given below. So find ddx of the following expression. First one is x cube minus 4x plus 8 minus log 4x. Similarly, these are other sums which are combination of different terms like algebraic expression, logarithmic expression, and exponential expression, in some cases constant also, like 8, 7. Sorry. So these sums, if you try, this will help you to revise all the formula, and practice makes a man perfect. So please try yourself and check with the answers given below. I am going to solve each sum step by step with full explanation. Problem number 1, ddx of x cube minus 4x plus 8 minus log 4x. Here we have got two algebraic terms, one constant, the last one is log term, logarithmic term. So ddx will be applied on each term as usual. Now applying x to the power n here, in case of x cube, we are getting 3 x to the power 3 minus 1. 4 being constant comes out of differentiation. So here it is 4 into ddx of x remains, which becomes 1. ddx of constant is 0. ddx of log 4x is 1 by 4x into 4. This 4 and this 4 cancels out. So final answer is 3x to the power 2 minus 4 into 1 is 4, and this is 0. So final, this 4 and 4 cancels out, so it becomes 1 by x. This is the final answer of the first question. Now we are going to discuss the second one. In this also we have got all the 3 types of functions: algebraic function, logarithmic function, exponential function. The sums are so designed that it will help the student to remember or practice all the formulas. So here I have given 5x. So ddx of 5x minus ddx of log 2x plus ddx of e to the power minus 4x. So 5 being constant, it comes out of differentiation. So rest is ddx of x. Then ddx of log 2x is 1 by 2x into 2. And ddx of e to the power minus 4x is minus 4 e to the power minus 4x. Here ddx of x is 1 and 2 cancels out. So it becomes 5 into 1 and 1 by x. Rest this is plus into minus 4 gives you minus 4 here. Final answer is this. Now the third sum. In this, we are using one new expression like root x, and rest are we have already previously discussed. So root x is new in this sum. So first root x is to be converted into index form. So it becomes x to the power half. Then only we can apply the formula. Rest, so you know, here some new thing is not very new. I mean, we have already discussed in previous example. 3 into x square, so 3 comes out ddx of x square. Now it becomes half x to the power half minus 1, applying x to the power n formula here. Here e to the power mx formula. Here again x to the power n formula. And this is constant already given in this sum. So this constant is in orange color. And this too comes after differentiation. So these two different color I have mentioned here. After product it becomes simple constant, so I have colored it in orange color. Now the fourth sum and last sum of this video is 6 log 5x plus 1 by x minus 7. In this sum there is one new thing, 1 by x, which we'll discuss here. So first we are distributing ddx in each term. Now here x to the 1 by x becomes x to the power minus 1. This is called fraction form. This is called index form. When we will change it in index form, then only we can apply x to the power n formula. Now 6 here comes out of differentiation being constant. So we are differentiating log 5x. Here differentiation of x to the power minus 1 is minus 1, x to the power minus 1 minus 1. A differentiation of constant is 0. So I think it is clear to you. 6 into 1 by 5x into 5 x to the power this minus 1 and plus sign after multiplication becomes minus, and x to the power minus 1 is x to the power minus 2, and this is 0. So final answer is 6 by x minus 1 by x square.